Hello, hello, hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. So mag-unboxing ulit tayo na mag-unboxing, okay? So ito yung na-receive ko na parcel guys. Of course, this is for my beauty care, okay? I mean, skin care pala. So let's open guys. Ito yung ginagamit ko guys for my face, okay? Dapat kasi guys, mahalin nyo ang mga face nyo at saka yung mga balat nyo. Yan yung pinakaunang tinitingnan ng mga tao sa atin, yung mga taong kaharap nyo araw-araw. So dapat, ayan. I bought this from a seller, of course, from Shopee, okay? Siya na po yung in-orderan ko simulat sa pool kasi marami siyang mga promos, mga buy one take one. At saka syempre kay Shopee ako dahil marami akong voucher at magkaka-free shipping pa ako niyan, guys. So ito yung day and night toner from Beautaderm. Beautaderm. Yan ang baka-pronounce, guys. Beautaderm buy one take one day and night toner. So as you can see, kahit hindi ako masyadong maputi, for as long as makinis ang aking face. So ito po siya ang dahilan kung bakit na-maintain ko yung healthy at glowing skin sa face ko, okay? Thank you so much guys for watching. Bye!